Happy days. Here we go again. Well then, welcome to another edition of Rupert'S Property Show on a Wednesday today and not on a Thursday. Surprise, surprise. Well, as you maybe have seen, we're doing the show today on a Wednesday, mainly due to the fact that the owners are leaving tomorrow and they have prepared the property in such a great way. You will see it also in the inside that we thought it's maybe a really good idea that we change the date from Thursday to Wednesday, so we can present the property in its best condition possible. I think we would not be able to prepare it the same way as the owners have prepared now their property, which I think is really a very nice one, to be honest. We are located today on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort in Garden 5. Quite a nice garden close to the Condado Club with the sports installation, bar, restaurant, paddle, tennis, football, nearly you name it, we have it. And this garden is just beside that, so this means also there's local infrastructure available. Garden 5 is quite a nice long garden. We are pretty close to the pool. You see the pool over there. You even see the owners over there. Okay, so that's quite close to the pool, but without having the real noise from the pool day and night. So that's quite a good location. It's number J599 on Garden 5. It's reference 3859 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are talking today about the 3-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment with dedicated parking lot here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. I'm sure you have seen and read all the good news about what will happen in the resort. So we will get 5 professional football pitches. They'll redo the golf course, golf clubhouse and all that. They will start building there after summer. So there are loads of things going on at the moment. So we really think that this is now the moment where Condado finally comes to where it should have come to maybe 15 years ago. So, well, and as you can see, it's just beautiful views here overlooking the garden. Actually, the grass is greener than it shows here on my screen. I hope this is the same with you guys. Here it looks a little bit beige-ish on my screen, but it's pretty green. So I don't know what's going on here, but, well, it's what it is. Okay, having said that, great terrace here, lots of modcons. We're talking about an awning which is covering nearly all the surface of the terrace. They have substituted the grass excuse me, they have substituted the grass also with terracotta or ceramic tiling, which looks quite okay. Normally we say all what we see is what we get. Today I have to exclude the outside furnishing, means the dining table here, glass dining table with 4 chairs, and as well the lounge set over there is not included. Neither the plants here, this one and this one, nor these 2 decorative elements here, the butterfly and the flowers. Otherwise, it's more or less what we see is what we get. And just let me walk into the property. I'm doing this through the sliding door here, where they have on the one side installed the mosquito netting. On the other side as well, there is an additional blind coming down. So that's quite a feature, especially in the morning when it's pretty sunny. This might provide a little bit of shade. Okay, walking in here, it's quite it's a well-designed and equipped living room, to say. Obviously TV and white good and kitchen and all that comes included. And as you can see, it's quite nicely set up. We have Dutch owners here, so obviously every nation puts its stamp on it. No? And here we go. This would be the 3rd bedroom, which is also used as a dining room. We have seen already as well examples where people have taken out this wall here and have increased the living surface, because this would then make a massive living room. Obviously then we don't have the 3rd bedroom, but you still can put in a sofa's bed settee or something, so might as well sleep 6 without. Anyway, kitchen fitted with oven, hob, extractor fan, dishwasher, large fridge, freezer, and the normal things, microwave, kettle, coffee maker, most important. And we continue through this great property to the master bedroom. And you see where the sun is coming in here in the afternoon. It's great. Actually, we have 22 degrees today. Sunshine all day long. It was a great day today, and we're looking weekend-wise into 27 up to 29. So it's not really common to have these temperatures now mid-March, but, well, who cares? At the end of the day, we enjoy the weather. As you can see as well, there is an air conditioning unit, not only in the master bedroom, but also in the living room and in the second bedroom. And adjoining to the bedroom, we do have the back terrace. Just let me walk out here. I understand that this outside thingy comes included. We do see here as well the washing machine. The air condition compressors have been partly integrated here into this great outdoor kitchen, I would say. That's just the barbecue machine, otherwise it's fine. And they have introduced as well here an additional storage area, which is always useful, because we know by experience that these apartments are all great, but they are lacking a little bit of storage. So this is maybe bridging the problem here. We are on Garden 5, as I said. We are now looking west, so we do get a decent sun down here. And it's getting really warm here. I'm standing out here. It's really nice. So, walking back to the master bedroom, as we said, comes a scene with air conditioning as well as with television. Here we go. There is one telly in the master bedroom, and there is another television as well in the second bedroom. Here we go. Also fitted with, I think it's 2 single beds. I'm not sure about, yeah, I reckon these are 2 single beds. As well equipped with a television, obviously, and again with air conditioning. The bathroom, just across the hallway, here we go, has been reformed, as we see. So the bathtub has disappeared, and they have integrated a great walk-in shower here, and as well an electric towel heater, or heating to say. I think that's quite nicely done, matching the existing tiles. Looks pretty good. Here we go with Rupert in the mirror, and apart from that we have here kind of a vanity unit, hand wash basin, and yeah, whatever necessary in the bathroom. No? Behind this picture, I have no idea if it stays. There will be the telecommunication with the router for the internet and the television box. So we are talking about the property here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. It's reference 3859 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. It's asking price €89,000. Sold as seen, except what I pointed out outside, the outside furnishing and the lounge area and all that, and the butterflies and the plants. Community fees for this property, as far as we know, and that's what I have to say, because the AGM has happened about 4 weeks ago, and we still don't know what the future community fees will be, because we don't know what the owners have voted for. So there might be a slight increase. Actually, they pay €103 per month on community fees, which includes as well the use of the internet line. Each property here has a 100 megabit up and download internet line, as well as the use of over 220 international TV channels. The EB tax, or so-called council tax maybe in the UK, here we call it EB tax, it's 207 per year. €207 per year, so that's not bad at all. Asking price 89k. So I think that's a pretty good value, because the property is really also spec-wise of very high quality. So all the air conditionings are brand, I think it's General, yes, they're General brand, that's pretty okay to say. As well as, for example, the fridge freezer is then Siemens, which is also, I think, a well-known brand, as well as the dishwasher. So I think there are quite some qualities in here, which also needs to be taken into account. Orientation-wise, we're talking east-west, means we get sun on the main terrace, at least until midday, and as of afternoon, we have the sun on the back terrace. So there is sun all day long, more or less, either in front or on the back. I always say it's pretty cozy in the afternoon to stay in the shade, especially when it has 35 degrees. So orientation is really down to your liking, to say, you know. So this really needs to be decided what's the better location for you. Having said that, I just enjoy the views up here. It's pretty quiet at the moment on site on the resort. We're waiting for the next holidays to come over so that there are more people arriving. Having said that, we have a massive influx of German buyers at the moment, and they keep us pretty busy as well, as not all of our staff members speak German, so we have a little bit of a problem at the moment, because there are too many German buyers here. But we will help them all to find their right property here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. So, coming back to this great property, J599. on Garden 5, reference 3859 on qualityhomescostacalida.com, asking 89,000 euros, community fees 103, and the yearly EB council tax is 207. For interest, or in case you want to make an offer, in case you want to have a virtual viewing, in case you're sitting still at home, just drop us a line, either through our webpage. You can also contact me directly to my email, rupert@qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I will try to be as helpful as I can. I'm sure one of my team members will be happy to assist you later on and make sure that you get the right property matching on ticking all the boxes you expect. In the meantime, I may thank you very much for your attention today. As I said, it's Wednesday, not Thursday. It's 22 degrees. We are here in short sleeve nearly, and well, enjoy the rest of your week, and I hope to see you soon again with another edition of Rupert's Property Show, presented by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Have fun, stay safe, and God bless. Ciao.